Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Rebecca and today I am bringing you guys more Valentine's Day DIY decor pieces using mostly items from the Dollar Tree. Now, if you missed my last Valentine's Day DIY decor video, I did a lot of things with pink that are going to be perfect for spring decor as well. So I'm going to have that video linked down below along with my video of Valentine's Day gift basket ideas, which came out really cute. So fun, so many good ideas. So I'll have those linked down below. Let me know which one of these DIYs today is your favorite. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and consider subscribing before you go. I will be getting into spring decor and spring DIYs after this. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started.
So the first one is a redo on one of my first DIYs I ever did here on YouTube and one of my first videos ever. And since so many of you have asked me about it, I decided that I would go ahead and remake an updated ornament heart wreath to match this year's Valentine's Day decor. So I'm starting with a heart wreath form. This is from Dollar Tree, and if you have one of their tinsel ones, that would work great. It gives you something to actually glue your ornaments onto. Now I'm just using their wire heart frame, so this is the easiest thing that I could think of, just taking something to cover the frame. You can do that with some fabric, some leftover ribbon, whatever you want to use. This way I have a base to go ahead and glue my ornaments onto. And then you want to take an assortment of small Christmas ornaments in different sizes. I've got 2.5-inch diameter, 2-inch, 1.5-inch, and one that's like 3/4 to maybe 1-inch diameter. So I have a variety of ornaments. You want to have at least 2 to 3 different sizes. I actually have 4 different sizes that I'm working with today. So it works best if you remove those ornament hook parts at the top of your ornament first, and then you can glue that top part like top down into the fabric or onto the fabric that you've already put on your wreath frame. Now, I line up my larger ornaments doing this kind of around the outside first and line them up side by side, just glue them in all the way around. And then I usually will use either the same ones or a slightly smaller one to do the same thing all the way around the inside. Now, you're going to want to kind of figure what works best for you. You may have to use something a little bit larger or a little bit smaller if you end up with a gap at the end. So you'll figure this out as you go. You can always lay them out first if you want to double check that your sizes for your ornaments are going to work. But anyway, glue them all down and then you can go back and add a little glue in between where the ornaments are touching. Next, I fill in the center space now using a mix of both medium and large ornaments like the 1.5, 2-inch or 2.5-inch. Finally, you're going to come back and take your smallest ornaments, whatever the smallest ones you have are, and you can glue those in now anywhere else where you need to fill in a space, anywhere that you see kind of like a gap or a space in between the ornaments. Go ahead and glue that in there, and you just layer this you're layering these little ornaments on top, filling in the gaps until it looks how you want it. It does take a little bit of time to do this, but it's actually really super fun and it's really easy to do, and I love how this looks when it's done. These are some of my favorite Valentine's Day decor that I use year after year are these ornament heart wreaths. I just love them. The next one now is a candy bouquet because it's either a really fun, edible Valentine's Day decoration or it's an amazing Valentine's Day gift. And I have someone really special in mind for this candy bouquet, but I'm not saying who because I think they might be watching this video. So anyway, you're going to want to start with like a little Dollar Tree basket or one of these little Dollar Tree like gift box things, something like this. They have a lot of choices in the Valentine's Day section. And again, you could actually use this for any time of year. Just grab a basket or a box that fits your season and take some of their floral foam or styrofoam, cut that to fit down inside your gift basket or your gift box. And then you want to gather up the candy bars of your choice, whatever you think your person would like. So I'm going to add also some of these cookie packages. These came 4 packs for $1 at Dollar Tree, so really cost effective. I've also got a lot of mini candy bars, so those are a great deal. And you could add lollipops in here, you could add packs of gum, whatever you think that your person would enjoy. Now you'll want to use a glue gun on low heat and make a narrow strip of glue down the back of your candy or cookie packages. and glue on wooden skewer sticks on the back. You can also get a whole pack of these at Dollar Tree, so that's where I get my wooden skewer sticks as well. This is a really affordable DIY gift, and I think it's just so fun. This is actually one of my most popular videos on my channel, was a candy bouquet that I did years ago, but I will have that link down below as well if you want another idea for a candy bouquet. And it was so much fun, and it just turned out so nice. Now, I do recommend using some longer items for the back of this candy bouquet, like a full-size candy bar. You could use like the longer Lindt chocolate bars. You could use these cookie packs that are a little bit longer, or you could even, they have the Godiva packs, or you could even use long sticks of the double bubble gum. Those are also pretty long. And anyway, space those out in the back and kind of just evenly space them out to make like a fan across the back. So you could make yours if you want it to go evenly all the way around. I'm kind of presenting mine so that everything kind of faces toward the front. Now stagger another row in front of the back row, and then a third row in front of that. So you could just keep on doing this, just depending on the size that you want. You might need 3 or 4 rows, and you'll just want to kind of stagger and space out your candy pieces, pushing the sticks further in toward the front of the arrangement so that the front candy is going to kind of sit lower in the bouquet, kind of almost down to meet the top of this gift box. And then the back ones are higher up and they show in the back. And then to really complete this candy bouquet, you can even add a little green tissue paper or some green paper shred in here and just kind of make it look more like an actual like flower bouquet made out of candy, a candy bouquet. It'll hide your wooden sticks as well. And now you've got a super cute, fun, affordable, delicious, custom Valentine's Day gift for literally just like maybe $10 to $15, just depending which candies or gum or cookies or lollipops or whatever kind of sweets, treats that you want to add in here. Give this video a thumbs up if you know anyone who would like to get this basket as a gift. I can definitely think of a few people. And we are on to the next one. For this one, I've got a large wreath frame now from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna tie this sign, attach this one into the center of the frame. And then I cut a ton of Dollar Tree roses, and I did all red roses. I'm going to glue those in all the way around. To be honest, I think using a mix of like red and white roses would be really pretty. It would match the colors on this sign, but I did not have any white ones, and I had lots of red roses left over from last year actually, so I just decided to go ahead and use red roses for this one. This was really super easy to do. It was just very time consuming to cut all of these roses. So it did take a little bit of time, but wow, is it a really beautiful and unique piece. It's just so eye-catching, and I think it definitely looks more high-end than a Dollar Tree wreath. And if you like the look, but you want less work and you want to spend a little less money on the roses, then go for a little smaller wreath frame, because this is the very largest one that Dollar Tree sells, but you could do it, I think it's the 18-inch, but I think they also have like a 14 or a 16-inch, and you'll just need fewer roses. So that'll save you a little bit there. Now, for the next one, I was really excited about this. I could not think of what to do with this little bear. I wanted to do something really fun and cute, and I was so excited when I finally thought of this because it turns out adorable, and I have it in the dining room now, and I love it. And I just took this little wooden bear and just painted the actual bear part very lightly with a little bit of my antique wax, and that kind of just gives it like a very light brown stain. I just did it as kind of as lightly as I could, and then on the actual, like on his paws and in his ears, on those parts I did a thick dark antique wax, and I just put extra on there so it would really soak in, and that way it would kind of accentuate and make those parts stand out. I also did around his nose like that, but I did his actual nose itself with this pink glitter glue from Dollar Tree, and then I took the red glitter glue and I did around on this little heart sign that he's holding, and I filled in the letters I love you with this white fabric paint. Actually, these are all from Dollar Tree. The glitter glues, you come in a pack of 3 for $1, so really affordable. And then I did the outside of it more with that pink glitter glue again, but you could just use whatever you want: pink, red, white, purple, gold, whatever works for you. And this turned out so cute. I love how adorable he looks. And then I actually am taking apart a previous DIY that I did, I think it was a couple years ago, with this little framed, it was actually a Dollar Tree gift bag that I framed, and I'm going to use the frame here and just redo something with this. Now, what I'm going to actually do is take a Dollar Tree scarf. This is one of their little Valentine's Day scarves, and I wrapped it around the glass part and then put that back into the frame, and basically the glass is now covered in this scarf. Put that back in, put the back onto the frame, and just, closed up the whole frame. And now I'm going to go ahead and hot glue my little bear right on there into the center, and super easy. You could always paint the frame if you want to change it up, make it match your decor, but I absolutely love how cute this one turned out. It was really fun, really easy, and I think it's just so adorable. I did come back with that white fabric paint and actually do his little smile, and I think this is a super happy bear because I made his smile like way too big, but he still looks so cute, and I just love how adorable this one turned out. For the last one, I'm taking one of these little truck signs, and this is left over from the fall time, but I'm going to paint over this all white. I did leave the bottom part where the wheels are. I left that part alone. Painted the truck over white, and then I did an outline on here with a black like a black Sharpie paint pen, or a black Sharpie marker would be fine, and you can kind of outline a little, design for like the back of the truck. I wasn't really sure how to do that, but I did want to kind of distinguish the tailgate part. And now into the bed of the truck, we are going to glue a bunch of flowers. So I'm using roses from Dollar Tree, and basically I am using a lot of pink and purple this year, mostly pink, but I wanted to use some pinks and purples, and I did stick a few white roses in there as well. I think this looks so cute, and I just glued them all into the back of the truck, and then added a couple little stickers to say "You and Me Forever" with some little hearts, also from Dollar Tree, to kind of complete the look here. And this could actually, you could hang it on the wall, you could set it up on a bookshelf or on a side table, on a credenza, wherever you want to put it. Just incorporate that in your Valentine's Day decor, and it looks super cute and adorable. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and let me know which one was your favorite. What would you be making out of here? I'm also going to have the rest of my recent Valentine's Day decor and gift ideas linked down below if you want to check out any of that. And as always, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next one. Bye!